Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to turn on and off themed icons on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here just scroll down and tap on themes. Now just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here just select home screen. Now if you scroll down, you will get the toggle for themed icons. Now if you enable this toggle, you will enable themed icons. Just like that. Now to disable themed icons, just open the settings app and tap on themes. From here, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display and tap on home screen. Now just scroll down and disable this toggle to disable themed icons. Just like that. And this is how you can turn on and off themed icons on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.